Good evening.
Good evening.
It's raining.
It's raining.
It's cold in this house.
It's frigid in this house.
There's a puppy over there.
I can't find the thermostat, can you?
I know where it is. There's puppy sleeping over here. And it's Monday evening. We just had a delicious dinner. And tonight, we do not leave. So I invite you on potentially one of the shortest and least traveled Brookhart project vlogs ever.
I didn't even know that this was even okayed until just this moment.
So Sarah, strap into some comfies and get ready to have a boring, relaxing night at home.
Well, not our home, but the home
That we're
house sitting.
It's 7:13. That's the face you make when you realize that the friend's house you're staying in has cable TV, and it's the first night of Freeform's like Halloween spectacular. It's like their version of.
It's called 31 Days of Halloween by Halloween.
And guess what?
Wait. Guess what? It's Nightmare Before Christmas and Hocus Pocus, which are the two that I just like watch on repeat.
And I can't stand this anymore. I have to go get my hoodie. My gosh. Oh my gosh, we don't have cable? We haven't had cable since we got married? Oh my gosh. Oh my. There's a commercial for Disney World, and it's for Christmas, and it's for that's Disney World. That's down the street. It is 7:50. What do you think? We're halfway through? Nightmare Before Christmas? We got an hour left until Hocus Pocus?
Yeah.
You know what that means? That means you steal the ice cream from the friends that you're staying at their house to babysit their dogs. Look how fancy this dessert is that I found in the freezer. But you got a frozen banana. Chocolate covered frozen banana. Delicious? Are you so happy watching Nightmare Before Christmas? I can't wait till it's over so we can watch
Hocus Pocus.
Interrupt this awesomely stylized vlog of us being at home with an important announcement that I just found on Facebook.
That's insane.
That's Voices of Liberty covering
Singing.
This Is Me. Oh my gosh. This is what happens when you live near Disney World and have cable.
And everybody says, shh, be quiet, we have to watch this.
And Eddie's home.
Yes, finally.
Sarah and I have like pseudo lived here for what, like 3 days now, 4 days now?
Yeah, I haven't even been on a vlog yet.
And Eddie has like been out and about working, doing work things, and then we were out and about. We've never like stayed home before without being sick. This is the first time I think since we moved here that we've chosen to stay home. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is the
You're
first.
you're so special to be a part of this.
I am so honored.
And
But it's all worth it because Hocus Pocus is on currently, and
you
we
missed-
know that's the greatest movie of all time.
It is 100%. Nightmare Before Christmas was on it before it.
Okay, so.
But Hocus Pocus
worth
is the
it.
best.
Yes, Hocus Pocus is the best.
I think that's the movie I know like the most quotes of. Like I could quote most of the movie.
That and Mean Girls.
Oh, I have not seen Mean Girls in a long time.
They need to make a Hocus Pocus 2. Comment if you think Hocus Pocus 2 should happen. Bette Midler, Kathy Najimy, and Sarah Jessica Parker
They all said they'd be on, right?
want to do it.
They should just
Disney,
do it.
let's
Kenny
go!
Ortega.
Yeah, Kenny Ortega, let's go!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So that was what we did tonight, in a nutshell. It was nice.
Sleepy regardless.
Yeah, we still got some good stuff done. Did a little bit of comments. Enjoyed some Halloween. Enjoyed some puppy time, some Eddie time,
some Eddie time.
FaceTime, and some couch time.
Just us time.
Yeah. So much that we may sleep on these couches tonight.
It's good to be home.
It is good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.